Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Dogishuman Multivitamin. You should use this product for your dog or not. Does this product really work? And how much time it will take to give results for your pet, okay? So basically, as you know very well, multivitamins is a very essential for human beings, for you can say like any kind of pet or any kind of you can say like your home, you can say like your kettles or anyone. Multivitamin is a very important thing, okay? When your dog, when your you can say like pet, when your cat or when your kettle is facing issue related to their health, like skin related problems or joint related problem, digestion, immunity related problem or anything, they need, it means they need multivitamin. They are not getting proper vitamins or minerals according to their body, okay? So here dog is human is coming like they are providing you multivitamins for your pets. It will support your pet's skin and coat, and it also help in hip and joint pain, and in digestion it will improve digestion of your pets and immunity booster and help your pet heart health also, okay? So if we talk about does their product really work, so basically when you use any multivitamin it will not give you instant results. It will take time, like approx 2 weeks or more than 2 weeks, okay? So after 2 or 3 weeks you will see changes in your pet, okay? And the product is really good and the brand is also really good. The brand is approx like 5 years from now, and they have also good reviews on Trustpilot, like but the reviews is little bit less. I think some of them are not using, you can say like most you can say like they have very little bit customer, you can say like customer base, so that's why reviews is very less. But if we talk about like product, really worthy product, you can make a purchase. But the thing is, only thing is like subscription. If you are going to make a purchase any multivitamin on this platform, so don't try to take subscription, otherwise you have to pay lots of fees if you are not want product, okay? Or if you forget to cancel your subscription, you have to pay fees because their subscription is work auto refill system. So if you don't want product, you need to cancel your subscription. This is the only problem, okay? So otherwise each and everything is good. You can make a purchase and you can get the benefits. The link is in our video description box. You can go over there and you can check out, okay? So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.